Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best manual pole saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best manual pole saws. A manual pole saw is one with no engine. You're the source of power. Most importantly, they have a long pole which extend well beyond your normal reach, allowing you to trim and prune tree branches you couldn't reach otherwise. The main purpose of this page is to help you in selecting the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for the best pole saw overall. Number 5. Fisker's 12-foot extendable pole saw and pruner. A unique double locking system ensures the pole stays extended for superior control. Plus, an easy-to-handle, lightweight pole makes reaching lofty limbs easier. Main features: 12-inch double grind saw. Full lifetime warranty. Fiberglass poles. Number 4. Inflation extendable manual pole saw for tree trimming. This tree pruner uses fully heat-treated and precision ground, has a strong cutting ability and improves pruning efficiency. Clean, smooth cutting. Main features: high-strength carbon steel blade. 2 cutting mode. Widely application. Number 3. Pole saws for tree trimming portable retractable. The foam grip increases friction to improve trimming efficiency, features shock absorption while increasing comfort. Ideal for pruning, trimming leaves at forestry, lawn, garden. Main features: lightweight and durable. Durable material. Wide application. Number 2. Horb telescopic pole saw 18FT/24FT extendable. The listing is about telescopic pole saw, constructed with aluminum alloy pole and steel saw, perfect for pruning branches. The telescopic pole saw is ideal for trimming. Main features: wide range of applications. Durable material. Comfortable grip. Number 1. Horb telescopic pole saw extendable telescoping. The precision ground, sharp teeth feature 4 cutting angles to ensure fast, clean, smooth cutting. The foam grip increases friction to improve trimming efficiency. Main features: durable material. Wide application. Labor saving. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.